What's up, guys? This is a next episode of Rasta Stocks, and let's talk about ticker symbol SBUX, aka Starbucks. People, it is currently trading at $105.77 a share, and 34 analysts saying 47% is a buy, 50% is a hold, and 3% is a sell. Okay, and 80% is very bullish. 80% is very bullish, and the Bears with their 20%, man, Bears, stupid Bears. Okay, so basically, they're a coffee company, right? And their headquarters is in Seattle, Washington. Their CEO is Kevin Jason, Kevin R. Jason, I should say, and they were founded in 1985, and they have about over 300,000 employees, 300,049,000 exactly employees, and they have a volume of 4 million in volume, and volume is key. If a stock doesn't have volume, then it's not worth anything. So basically, they market themselves in the Americas, all right, and their specialty is coffee. Like I said, coffee. So they have stores in China, Middle East, Asia, Africa, you know, just to name a few, but do your research on these companies. And they pay dividends. They pay like about 41 cents a share. And I did say, and this year I'm looking to get involved in more in dividend stocks. And Starbucks is a company that I'm interested in. Although the price right now is kind of high, but I'm willing to take the risk. If it pulls back, I'll buy more, but it's on my watch list to buy. Listen, people love their coffee, man. People love their coffee. Say it with me. People love their coffee. And even when pandemic just happened, like I was on my way to work, on my way home from work, I see lines outside of Starbucks because people's not giving up their coffee. People love their coffee. I'm saying to myself, I need to look into Starbucks stocks. I need to look into Starbucks stocks, and they pay dividend. Although it's high for $105, that's high. That's high. But if it pulls back, hey, I'll buy more. But I'm looking in to get in, but I'm not gonna wait too long to get in on this stock because it's a good company. It's a good company. And they have facilities in, like I said, Europe, Middle East, Africa, the Americas, and China. Okay, and that's pretty damn good, people. That's good. And for pandemic to going on and they're still open and operating, practicing social distancing because people love their coffee. Even when I'm at work, I see doctors and nurses and like whoever just drinking their Starbucks coffee. I see people on my way home on the train drinking their Starbucks coffee, drinking their Starbucks coffee, So, yeah. And they don't only sell coffee too, they sell like bagels, muffins, stuff like that, like to drink with your coffee. And they sell white hot chocolate. I love their white hot chocolate. So me personally, I will buy this stock at the price where it's at right now because my risk tolerance is different from yours. You can't necessarily follow my risk tolerance. It's different from you guys. So if you guys want to wait until it pulls back, you wait until it pulls back because if you can't, let's see, what's the word I'm looking for? If you can't buy when it's high, you buy when it's low. Okay, so buy the dip, sell the news, buy the dip, sell the news. But I'm looking into getting in this stock because I feel like this is a good play long term. And this stock kind of reminds me of McDonald's, Coca-Cola, you know. Those are long-term stocks. You feel me? Those stocks not going to be affected with any pandemic or nothing. Like McDonald's was open through the pandemic, okay? Coca-Cola was still selling through the pandemic, you know. So guys, you gotta look at stocks that's gonna pay you money to invest in them. Yes, Tesla, Neo, and Plug Power, Canopy Growth is all good. Yes, you know, but listen, guys, look into dividend stocks because I feel like dividend stocks is very good. Basically, they're paying you to invest in their company at a small percentage, but the more shares you have, the bigger is your return. So dividend stocks is what I'm going to push forward. Okay, dividend stocks. I'm going to build up my position in some dividend stocks. AT&T is a dividend stocks. UPS is a dividend stocks. Microsoft is a dividend stocks. Starbucks is a dividend stock. Okay, people. All right, so that was just my thoughts on Starbucks. I really feel like this company is a good company. Okay, very good company, and it's been out for a very long time. And like I said, people love their damn coffee. People love their coffee. I know people who don't get their coffee in the morning is cranky. I know quite a few people don't get coffee in the morning, they're cranky. So people, look at it. All right, look at it, look into it. All right, because I'm starting to notice that the things that people like, that's the things I'm going to start investing because those things are going to be around for quite some time. Okay, so remember, people, Starbucks been around for a long time, and they're dominating. Okay, I doubt if they I doubt if they got affected much through COVID, but I'll do more research on that. All right, guys. So, on that note, peace. Like, comment, subscribe, and share to your auntie, sister, uncle, brother, whoever, because the channel is growing and I'm going to continue to drop fire for you guys that they don't teach in school. So, like, comment, and share, guys. And yes, do your due diligence and research on Starbucks because I feel like this is a good long-term play. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And yeah, quite a few more stocks I'm going to talk about. And maybe for my next topic, I'm probably going to talk about how to build up capital for trading. That might be my next topic. So on that note, peace.